The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max sometimes exhibit an issue where the Wi-Fi option in settings is grayed out, rendering it inaccessible. This is typically a software glitch, not a hardware failure. Apple attributes this to conflicts with AI-driven network optimizations in the Qualcomm X75 modem introduced in iOS 18.1. This video will show you how to fix it. Two primary methods can resolve the grayed-out Wi-Fi issue on iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max: a network reset and a settings reset. To perform a network reset, navigate to Settings, then General. Next, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This clears all saved Wi-Fi networks and cellular settings. For a broader approach, use Reset All Settings. Follow the same path to reset, then select Reset All Settings. Back up your iPhone before performing these resets. They are safe and reversible, but backing up prevents minor inconveniences like re-entering passwords.